Hey, Chris Jube, the Glamping guy here, and the numbers are in. My 2023 numbers are calculated and legit and finalized, and I wanted to let you know that in 2023, I made $245,733.16 in earnings on my glamping properties. I typed it into ChatGPT and it was like 98,000% increase. It's huge what I've done in the past 5 years. Now, if you've watched Easy Entry to Glamping, you know of my journey of going from almost living in poverty to this and having a freedom and fulfillment that I've never dreamed possible. Look, my 8 weeks to launch class goes deeper into what I introduced you to. I have 9 students and I'm sending out booklets. These are booklets that will serve as templates for their first guests. They're from Arizona, Florida, Pennsylvania, Washington, and Colorado. And I am super pumped that they are in the class. But you know what? I want you in there too. If you've heard about glamping and know of its potential and are convinced that it's the market that you should get into, then take my 8 weeks to launch class. It'll be awesome. I really would like you in there. I'm a teacher at heart and I love to share that with others. So registration is open till next Monday. And then after that, I just got to cut the door. It's like a college course. You can skip the first class, but you can't skip any after that. And this is the first time I'm teaching this course. That makes you a pioneer student. So it's not just this course you'll be able to hold on to. You will have access to every time I release this, and I plan on releasing it every single year. Oh, and I extended the 50% off coupon. So this $4,000 value, which I think is a lot more, is actually only $2,000. Registration is very easy. The first class is already up, and we're getting together as a class on Thursday for our first individual coaching session. So if you want to be that 10th student, you go to glampingguy.com and get signed up today. And I will personally send you this book so that you'll be able to put this in your guest house for your students come this spring or summer. Point is at the end of the 8 weeks, you will have everything at your disposal to be able to launch into the world of glamping. I'm Chris Jube, the Glamping guy, and I hope to see you in class.